Hello, I'm TJ Kleberg. I'm one of the Lenovo system engineers here at Tech Data. In this installment of Technical Enablement, we'll be reviewing the S3200 SAN storage. Now at the beginning of this management console, you have a home screen and gives you an overview. And for demo purposes, we're going to bypass doing any of the initial configuration wizard because we've already got the system set up with the initiators and the host. First thing we'll do is we'll go ahead and we'll view the system. And this is what it looks like from the front of the actual S3200. This is a rear view and it's a dual controller, and we'll be working in both controllers for our viewing purposes. This is the host, and like I said earlier, we have our host and initiator set up. So let's go ahead and jump right in, and we'll start by adding a couple of disk groups. We're going to start off in controller A. We're going to set our first set at some mid-level. And as you can see, we've only selected 2, and it won't allow us to add because of it requires 3 for a RAID 5. Now that we have the minimum of 3, we're able to add. Now that it's accepted, we'll go ahead again and add a second one for the B group, and you can see it automatically populates. We'll take RAID 5 again for the B, and as you can see, we can't pick those 3 because they've already been selected for the A. Now, if we go back to our home page again, you can see that it's highlighted with green at this point, and it just all the green, it just signifies that it's the tier 2 level of storage that's going to be included into this environment. Now we'll create the volumes. So we come up and select the virtual volumes. And then we'll add a row because we're going to have pools in both A and in B. Click OK. And the volumes are set. As you can see, they're now into the system. Come back again. Nothing's really changed, except that it shows now that the volumes are complete. Now that we have the second tier storage included, we're going to go ahead and add some additional drives. We'll go into controller A and add additional drives. Our second set, we'll do a set of RAID 1 solid state drives. And that's been created. And while we're here, we'll go ahead and even add a third set for a tier 3 storage. And we'll set in a RAID 5 some of the nearline drives. So these are your 72K drives. Okay, those have gone in. Now we'll go down to the B and complete the same process. Changing it over to the B controller, adding that, and then one more time. This time will be our nearline 72K, 7.2K. Now we go back to our home screen, and we can see the color differentiation there determines the levels of tiering that are in the system itself. The red signifying the solid-state drives, the green is the 15K SAS drives, and the blue being the nearline 7.2K drives. This is a very industry standard type of tiering for storage. Now from here is what we'll do is we'll go ahead and do the mapping. Is what we want to do here is we want to set both of them set our first volume. That one is good to go, and then we can set our second volume. Now we come back to the main screen, and we can look and see everything is ready to go and ready to plug in to the main system. We hope you found this demonstration useful. If you have any questions about the S3200, contact your Lenovo team at Tech Data.